Bahrain is an archipelagic nation in the Persian Gulf. The archipelago consists of many small islands. With an area of 780 square kilometers, Bahrain is the third smallest nation in Asia. In this video, we will explore the different aspects of Bahrain. Bahrain is a small country located in the Persian Gulf. It is considered as a part of the Middle East, which is made up of 33 islands. The largest island of Bahrain is Bahrain Island, and it is the most of the country's population. The central part of Bahrain's main island has a low elevation escarpment. The highest point in the country is Jabal and Dukhan, which is about 443 feet. Around most of Bahrain is a relatively shallow inlet of the Persian Gulf, known as the Gulf of Bahrain. As an island state, Bahrain has fewer contested borders than its neighbors. Bahrain has a hot and cold climate. The months from June to September are very hot and humid, with temperatures more than 40 degrees Celsius. During the winter months between December and March, with temperatures between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. The average temperatures range between 14 to 20 degrees Celsius in January and 30 to 38 degrees Celsius in August. The difference in temperatures between day and night is quite high. Bahrain has an average of only 10 days of rain in a year. Falling in the winter months, the average annual rainfall is about 75 millimeters. The rainiest months are December, January, February and March. Bahrain's culture is based around its Islamic heritage. In spite of having a strong cultural, religious and ethnic identity, the local population is very welcoming and tolerant of other people and religions. The culture is displayed with its architecture, mosques and communal entertainment locations. While traditional pastimes like horse riding and poetry are still practiced, more modern activities like soccer and international travel have taken over in popularity. The main income sources of Bahrain are oil and gas. Bahrain has worked to diversify its economy over the past decade. In addition to the oil and gas industries, there are several major industrial sectors in Bahrain, including aluminium industry, plastic industry, food processing, garment industry, handicrafts. Bahrain dinar is the second highest valued currency unit in the world. Since the late 28th century, Bahrain has heavily invested in the banking and tourism sectors.